So now I'm going to show you how to cut with the Lefty scissors, my favorite kind. So you just put it there. And it cuts really nicely since it's really smooth. It's easy. And then for the zigzag, just cut a bit up and a bit down. And you cut right here. And then you cut here. Okay, it's kind of hard to control the paper as well here. And then you cut here. And then you have to be careful when you use scissors. Don't cut yourself. Make sure your finger is out of the way when you want to cut something. And then now this is the wavy one. And then you'll slowly curve it up and down.